Hey guys, wanna use auto scroll on Instagram effortlessly? Let me show you how easy it is. So follow along this simple step-by-step tutorial. And now let's begin. First off, obviously open Instagram on your device and now go to the Reels page. Now you should look for the three dots right there at the bottom right, and now this will bring up this pop-up menu right here in which you should see the new auto scroll feature. So if you do not have it, you would probably have to update Instagram. Now to do this, exit Instagram and open App Store or Google Play Store on your mobile device. Now go to the search tab at the bottom and now use the search field to find Instagram. Now once you have found it, look for the update option, and if you have it, simply update Instagram. After updating, just try to open Instagram again and check for the same option as in this screenshot and the same pop-up menu and the Reels page. So that's pretty much it, guys. Thank you for watching and subscribe for more tips.